Hello. So I'm here to talk about my calculator I've made in C Sharp. It's pretty simple. I didn't really have time to do a lot of more than this. Um, so what it does, it's a really simple calculator. You can see here that it takes inputs from the numbers, and you can even set dots and so, and you can give the number positive or negative numbers. Yeah, you can clear like the whole thing, or you can like clear entry with C, and you can clear what you just wrote with C. The thing you can do is like you can time and multiply the numbers, you can divide them, you can add them, and you can subtract. Oh, fuck. Uh, yeah. So what it does, we can look into the code. Here I set four different variables where I just set give them the numbers 0. I used the m because I found in this tutorial. I don't know exactly why. And I also set a operator type where I used the one that's called math operations. No operator where I'm using that with the different stages here as switches. So what happened, how the code is that we start with within the code, I have set some different kind of stuff. I've set, wait a minute, um, what the, there. Here you can, there's some different properties you can do, you set down here because I used the developer tool within C Sharp. Um, and there was a way where I could kind of select all different numbers and kind of just add them to one kind of code. So what I did, I rebuilt, I deleted, I first started programming as normally as you would do with Java, then I deleted it, and I thereafter rebuilt the solution where I got this simple line of see here, find it, think it's yeah, I think it's this one where you make it's a object where it has two different event arcs. Those the one they created from the rebuild solution. So what we did is that we have it has some different the different buttons. They have some they have some different they need some different inputs. So here we have set I have set a button variable where it's called just btn, where we use the center is the equal to one as the button. So what happens is that if the display text box is equal to 0, then display the display text box is clear. So as you would see right here when it started, is that it's equal to 0. Um, so here it happens that that every time that we input something on the button, it will display it on the text. So when I click this, there's B5 and some more like that. You can see also this is strict. So, and here you can see dot button. If there's something like here it says if this display text box contains the dot, then it should not add it afterwards if it's there already. So what happens that what we're saying is that if if we already have a dot within the text, then we cannot add more. So, but if there was something, if the dot was there, we can try clear it, like say 66666, then we can say like dot and it will add a dot, but it cannot allow more than one dot. Um, then we go into we add the plus and minus, and this one is like minus, and we just say we use the sender and event arcs, where therefore that we use the same method that we did that. so you can not add more minuses. And that goes for like a lot of different kind of operations. But you can see here when we start to use this is one. This one is for the minus positive one. So this one here. Um, and here we then begin to work around with the different operations that switches. So let's say we want the center, and here it happens is that we're gonna say value operator type in mathematics divide, and here you can just we just add the options to actually add divide minus plus uh multiply and the percent part and also the equal to. So here you can see the different operations where it takes the first number and adds with the second number, and that's what we use these operators for. Um, and then we just like made formulas how it should be done, and also how this one was the one like how to get the percentage. So you get the first number, you divide with the second number, and you then multiply with 100. Um, Clear button entry is that we just display text is equal to 0, so there's nothing there. And the whole thing is also like the clear button entry. We use that everything is set to 0, so if the first number, the result, the second number, and everything. So yeah, I think that was every every single thing. Pretty simple.